Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist for Thinkorswim, with the Friday morning review and the Monday morning preview for the upcoming week starting February 25th, 2008. I know you're saying, Joe, what glamorous hotspot are you in right now? Actually, I'm in the Holiday Inn in Rockford, Illinois. Woo! As I am out here coaching a basketball tournament for my son's team. But no matter where the glamorous spot I'm at, I always like to do our market show. Anyway, let's take a quick look at what happened on Friday. On Friday, quite a strange day, as we saw the market pretty much in the red all day long. In fact, getting really beaten upon at 3 o'clock Eastern. At 3:30, CNBC reports that AMBAC is going to get a financial bailout. The market rallies like nobody's business. It was an incredible rally, seeing the Dow finish up $96 on the day. We had 25 advancers and only 5 decliners. By the way, that turned around from 2 o'clock when it was the opposite. We had 5 advancers and 25 decliners. So an impressive showing by the Dow on Friday. Now, how does that relate to what's going to happen? And the biggest stock, let's talk about AMBAC. Obviously, AMBAC, probably one of the busiest options pits there. We saw the out-of-the-money calls. I say pits out of habit, obviously. It was electronic primarily. The out-of-the-money calls traded very heavily all day long. We want to keep our eyes on that on Monday. In fact, the rest of this week. The rest of this week, what's going to happen? Well, first of all eyes are going to be on Tuesday morning before the opening, the PPI, Producer Price Index. That is, with the CPI came out on Friday, we saw that the consumers were paying a lot more for everything. Let's see how the PPI comes out. This could really affect what goes on. And how I think it's going to affect what goes on is this. We've been talking about the VIX since day one in here. We obviously think it's very important. We've been saying how breaking 25 in the VIX, very important level for the market in order for it to head higher. We did break it pretty convincingly, actually, on Friday. The VIX closed at 24.07. That being said, my belief is on Monday you're going to see the VIX go back up. The reason being, going into PPI, there is going to be some nervousness. Actually, Monday afternoon is the 2-year and 10-year auction results for bonds. Usually not a major that unless it's a disappointment. We'll have to see what kind of yields are going to entice people to buy these bonds. So that could be a little upsetting to the market, so we'll keep our eye on that. Again, the AMBAC news, something we want to keep our eye on. PPI coming out on Tuesday. How that's going to affect volatility levels, because as we said, the VIX did close under 25. However, we've also been talking about this S&P level of 1363 even, the March S&P futures. I said these things had to happen together, in my opinion, in order for us to continue higher. That did not happen on Friday. In fact, the S&Ps closed at 1355.5. So they still have some ground to go higher with the VIX staying lower in order for us to break out, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens on Monday morning, try and rectify the whole situation. All right, I hope everyone had a great week last week. Hope you have another good one this coming week. As always, good health, good trading. Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist, Thinkorswim.com. Have a great day.